How's it going everyone, and welcome back to the GNU Lectures channel. Today we will learn about the basics of SSH. With that said, let's get started. SSH is a protocol that we can use to control another computer or server using a text-based environment. It's especially convenient for web developers who can update and manage their server without a web browser. In an SSH connection, the computer we're using is called the client. For me, that's my home desktop. And the computer we're accessing is the server, which in my case is a remote server hosted by AWS. To access the server, we need a username and a hostname. The username would be a user account like John or Jane. The hostname is a unique identifier for the device. This can be the computer name, IP address, or domain name. I'm typing the IP address because I'm hosting this server with AWS. If the server was on my home network, then I could type the computer name. So we're gonna open a terminal and type SSH. SSH connections can be authenticated using a password or an SSH key. For this server I have a key called key_pem. So I'm going to add -i and the key name. But you won't need to do this if you don't have a key. Then I'm going to type username at hostname. And if I press enter, boom, I'm in the server. But if you are using a password, you would type your password before you are let into the server. Now I'm in. I can run commands as if I was sat in front of the server. Do note that there is more to SSH than what I've just mentioned. This video is simply to show you its basic functionality. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and thank you for your patience as I've been very busy with school.